Welcome everyone to another episode of Boldly Broken, the podcast where we talk about life after diagnosis, but more importantly, we talk about life itself. So, today I have someone very special with me, Mohana Paranjpe. She is a retired school teacher, an MSP, and someone who has spent a large part of her life teaching, guiding, and shaping young minds. But today, I'm not going to, interview her like a teacher because I have a feeling I might end up getting homework. Yes. So, Mohana, welcome to Boldly Broken.
Hi, Tapan. It's nice to be here. I was looking forward to this. So let's get started. Hmm.
Yeah, I think another confession. Okay, we recorded this session a week, 2 weeks ago, and I did something okay which was not expected out of me, and that is how we are doing it again. But I think it doesn't matter how many times we do it. Okay, it is always fun talking to Mona about life, MS, everything. I mean, it's always fun. It's always a learning session for me. So मोहन आप बताइए आपके बारे में please. We would like to know about you. How? I mean, I wouldn't go directly MSP. Please tell us something about yourself. We would love to know. Yes.
Yes. Today I'm a senior citizen. So in a good place to be in, which I never thought I would land up till here. I would survive till here. So that's one good thing. Second is that yes, I had a very simple, normal life like everybody, uh, which had its own challenges. I had a love marriage, a beautiful relationship with my husband for some years, after which things went down the drain, and for no fault of either his or mine, but we had to separate. Unfortunately, he passed away soon after, and then it was a single parent to a child who was, of course, the reason why I'm still here. And because she gave me a purpose to continue with my life. And after that, of course, I've been a teacher, like Tapan said. For 20 years, I have taught, and I've taught the pre-primary and the primary school children between the ages of 5 to 8, because I love that age group. They are
Were
so
you strict?
transparent. Very, very strict.
Okay.
Very strict, very firm, but loving. I don't know how that can happen, because the first impression I has to give children was that I'm a very strict teacher, and maybe some of them didn't like it. So the parents used to go to the principal saying that, ma'am, could you change our section of our child to
Oh my
someone
God.
who's more loving? So then if the principal did agree, and then they asked the children in front of them, okay, do you want to leave Mona ma'am's class and go to another section? A child after 1 week with me would say, no, I don't want to leave Mona ma'am.
Wow. Okay.
So I think that was a very big compliment, right?
Oh, it is.
Because
Yes.
because see, children, they tend to stretch the rubber band as much as they can.
Yes.
Oh, they love it. And as a teacher, I had to be very firm in the beginning, because that way you set your limits, which the children understand very well.
Yeah.
And if the previous teacher has been very, loving, and maybe was not so particular about discipline, they used to find me quite a challenge. But after 1 week in my class, they realized, oh my God, she has her own way of showing affection and doing things and making us laugh and having fun with us. So then by that time, they've got used to you and they've started loving you. And
Right.
basically, they come to know that you might be strict, but you really genuinely care for them.
Oh,
And they
that's
can't put
important.
it in so many words. Yeah. Basically, they can't put it in so many words, but they do understand that. So,
And also, I think because the youngest kid we have in our house right now, my sister's son, वो
Mhm.
5 साल का है, and sometimes it is so difficult to understand what he is
yes.
trying to say, but it also I mean, for me, it becomes like a responsibility उनको समझाना, to explain and then to understand whether they've understood or not. So yeah,
Yes,
that's a challenge. I mean, ये 5 साल के मुझे लगता था कि और लगता है कि मैं 5 साल में कैसा था, and you have been doing it
I know.
for so many kids, and I know that's a tough job.
Yeah, it's a tough job. There's no doubt about it because when children come to you, you don't know what background they're coming from.
Correct.
You don't know what challenges they're facing. And they don't have the vocabulary or the maturity to be able to express. So, a child comes in a bad mood. It could be because the child is not feeling well.
Yeah.
It could be because there has been a fight at home between parents, in-law, grandparents, whatever. Some unbun at home.
Yeah.
Or it could be because the mother scolded, or it could be आज नींद नहीं हुई है पूरी,
हाँ.
है ना, कुछ भी हो सकता है. अब वो बच्चा जब स्कूल आता है, then what you see is one grumpy little kid who's not looking very happy coming to school, and now you
out
have
of
to
10,
make him, yeah,
all 10 of them are like that.
and then you have to make him feel that it was a good idea he came to school.
Oh yeah. I mean, how teachers do that?
Yeah, because unless he feels that, he's not going to learn anything that day, he or she. Like I'm saying he because it's not gender specific, the child. So basically, unless they love coming to school, they will not learn whatever is being taught, because there's a barrier already there. It's put inside the head, and he's like, "नहीं, आज मैंने करना ही नहीं कुछ. You do what you want. I will not study. I will not write. I will not sing. I will not dance. I will not play."
Yeah,
So,
kids are difficult. I mean, these days,
yeah.
I mean now I don't know which generation this is, but a 5-year-old kid, it's very difficult to come to terms
No,
with
and
them. Yeah.
Tapan, there's another thing. Let me tell you, because I taught in Delhi first.
Oh, okay.
Then I came to Pune. Now, one of the basic things that I don't like to say these things because, they seem very, it seems like a bias, but this is my experience.
Yeah.
In Delhi, even 30 years ago, like I started teaching in 35 years ago, actually 1991. So,
Oh, 1991.
so the children who came at home, they were rarely reprimanded. Like वहाँ पे सब चलता है, अरे बच्चे नहीं करो, and then the mother, father, grandparents, whatever, they just say, अरे मत कर यार, छोड़ दे वगैरह,
Yeah,
and then they
the
and the
typical
child
Delhi
keeps going.
environment.
Yeah, that's the way they are brought up. Whereas हमारे यहाँ पे पहले ही नाना नाना नारे का जो गाना शुरू हो जाता है, अगर आप as you come down in say the mid part of India, and then as you go down south, the strictness just increases in the home. The discipline factor is a very harsh
Agree.
thing.
Yes.
Yeah, which in the north people don't. They are not so particular, and they don't give the children one rap when needed.
Yeah.
So that was one very big difference I used to see. Which I used to feel, especially when I came to Maharashtra. I said, यार बच्चे तो बहुत आसान है handle करने के लिए. It's the parents who are a problem.
The parents were the problem. Yeah. Right.
Because तब तक IT का boom हो गया था.
Right.
So you see, this generation of parents were the ones who are much younger than me, but had got the best deal. Whatever they had studied, they had suddenly got a job in which they earned minimum lakh a month. Whereas in the beginning in Delhi, when we were there in say 91, very rarely people got jobs where if somebody earned a lakh a year, it was considered to be a good job, an excellent job.
Yeah, excellent job. Yes.
So considering that, I guess is one big difference that one has to handle.
So, but when you were, I'm so sorry to cut. I'm sorry.
नहीं, correct है, बोलो आगे बोलो.
No, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि when you were teaching these kids, okay, and because being a teacher is a responsibility, right?
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
I'm trying to I'll pivot a little, because now that you have MS, right? And when you were teaching, were you diagnosed time when you were teaching, or were you diagnosed
After.
later, after,
I
right?
was diagnosed in 2019 and I left my teaching job in 2011.
Okay. No, the reason I wanted to ask, because teaching is a tiresome job. Okay, it's a big
Very, very tough,
responsibility, and
especially little children,
yeah, yeah,
because you have to be on your feet.
on your feet, and then mentally also you have to be
Correct.
on guard, and then yeah, I mean, having MS at the same time, I don't know. I find
No,
I mean, I can't imagine how difficult it must have been. But I
my
think
some of
you
the
got
symptoms, some of my symptoms had started at that time, but I was not aware of it.
okay.
Like I had started getting swelling in my feet
Oh,
by 9:30 in the morning. My feet used to be swollen to the extent where I used to wear shoes that were 2 sizes larger
oh, is it?
than my normal. Yeah, my normal size was 4, Bata 4. I used to wear Bata 6 because
Okay.
my feet used to just swell up so much by 9:30. And if while I was at school, if one child accidentally stepped on the back of my
Oh
shoe
my
and
God.
the shoe came off, I couldn't push my foot back into the shoe. So I had to walk around the whole place in my socks. So that 1 year, I don't know how many pairs of socks I have bought and destroyed, because at that time this happened in 2004. 2004 में भी आज जितनी चीजें मिलती हैं तब नहीं मिलती थी.
Ah, yeah, of course. Yes.
Means you just had the basic socks and all, and
Basic
otherwise
socks,
the
yes.
good socks are very expensive.
Very.
Teacher की salary में नहीं, you can't buy them.
Right.
And that also, when you're a single parent, there's no way you can go and buy these expensive things for yourself. So
Yeah.
it was tough. So once on my birthday, I remember I asked somebody asked me कि what gift would you like, Mohana? I said, please अच्छे pair of socks लाके दो ना. आजकल मुझे socks की जरूरत
Socks की
है.
ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. But
बच्चे
I think
निकाल देते हैं.
socks, मतलब I'm trying to imagine, मतलब ऐसे केस में आपको बच्चों को पढ़ाना भी है, उनके साथ खेलना भी है,
हाँ?
and you are walking around, okay, without your
Yeah.
shoes, while you are having that swelling. Oh my God.
And pain.
And pain. Yeah.
Yes. At that time, there was a lot of pain. Luckily, after that, the pain somehow magically disappeared. And the swelling also reduced. It reduced a hell of a lot.
But did it ever occur to you that this could be something serious, or you just ignored?
No, I didn't ignore it. Actually, my gynecologist noticed it and told me that I should get color Doppler test done because I might have varicose veins. Varicose veins happens in two ways. Either they happen at the surface of the skin area where you can see them, or they can happen inside where you can't see. And even that causes this kind of pain and swelling.
Oh yeah, it's very painful. Yeah, varicose vein is
so
very
I
painful.
got these 3 color Doppler tests done in the period of 6 months because she insisted that नहीं यही होगा. So वो मैंने अलग अलग जगह पे जाके किया, ऐसे यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ, अच्छा वहाँ पे जाती हूँ, वहाँ पे जाती हूँ, ऐसे करके 3 बार किया. फिर मैंने कहा ये कुछ भी नहीं है, जाने दो इसको, छोड़ो. And then my doctor told me that can you leave your job for a year and stay at home.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. So then I asked my father. I said, I think this pain thing is not going and the swelling is not going. So the doctor feels that I need to rest my legs. The teaching job means if I'm working 6 hours, I'm standing 6 hours. With maybe a 10-minute break at tiffin time and maybe 20-minute break at lunchtime. So I said that much time standing, because with little children, you have to be mobile. You can't be sitting in a chair.
Yeah.
So that was what happened. Then finally I left my job and for a year.
Oh.
And within 3-4 months of proper rest, the swelling went, the pain went. After that kind of pain and swelling never happened again.
Okay, so it's completely disappeared.
With MS, what happens is, with my kind of MS, which is a very slow progressing one, symptoms come and go. they change.
Is it still
So
the
that was
case or?
Yeah, it's still the case. There are times, of course, now earlier, like my pain in my legs happened for a year before it disappeared.
Mhm.
Now maybe things happen for a month or 2 months and then they disappear. The new issues crop up,
Right.
like acidity, constipation, incontinence.
But the relapse
these
keeps
things are-
happening, right?
This is like weather related also, and even
Mhm, yeah,
activity related. So these things come and go. So I don't have any permanent symptom besides the fact that my
No,
left
touch wood,
leg.
touch wood.
Yeah, touch wood. Thank God. Oh my God.
Yeah,
This is the best. अपन अपना वुड सबसे अच्छा होता है.
Yeah, yeah.
Teak, mahogany, जो भी कहो. So luckily for me, I'm very lucky that I've had this kind of a thing. So like I always say, I'm always grateful to God that He did give me challenges, lots of them, but one at a time, and He gradually eased me into it.
Right.
First the challenges came because of other people around in my life. Then gradually I became stronger. I was in a state where I could manage myself. And then when I learned to manage myself and I was bringing my child up, I have a wonderful family. I have wonderful sets of friends who have helped me wherever I have been. And till date, they are very much connected. And as and when needed, God made sure that I had the help I needed. So whether it was a neighbor or it was a colleague or it was my parents, my sister, or my relatives.
No, it is
Even
very
my-
important actually to have
Very,
the
very
kind of the family support, because again with MS the thing is, if you do not have the support, okay, it doesn't matter how bad your medical your health condition is, but
Correct.
when you don't see people around you to talk to, family, friends,
Correct.
it gets worse.
Yes. No, and you get into depression, yeah. It hurts.
Oh yeah.
That loneliness can be so devastating. It is horrible. And now, like I told you, I lost my husband in the year 2004 December. So now see, this December is going to be 22 years that I'm
22
living alone.
years.
That's a long time. So people say, अरे अब तक तो तुम इतनी strong हो गई हो. I said, यार strong हो के अब मैं थक गई हूँ. मुझे भी कोई चाहिए जो
नहीं, strong होना हमारे पास, it's not like हमारे पास choice नहीं है. We don't have that choice, that
Yes.
choice of हमें strong होना ही पड़ता है.
No, another thing. Let me tell you, Tapan. Another thing to be grateful for.
Yeah.
That God gave us the strength to understand that we need to be strong.
We need to be strong. Right.
And the
Correct.
capacity to be strong too.
मैं तो
अगर
MS
आप लाइक अपने ग्रुप में ही देखो, एमएस के ग्रुप में ही देखो, कितने लोग हैं जो कितने निराश होते हैं. उनके प्रॉब्लम्स इतने बड़े नहीं हैं, तभी भी वो बहुत निराश होते
निराश
हैं
रहता है. Right.
और वो चाहते हैं कि लोग उनके लिए चीजें करें. Which I find very हाँ, जो बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते, ऑफ कोर्स उनके लिए तो सब वॉलंटियर्स भी होते हैं, हम लोग भी होते हैं उनको हेल्प
Right.
करने के लिए. बट जो कर सकते हैं, जितना कर सकते हो उतना तो करो बेटा.
I think हम लोग उस कैटेगरी में आते हैं. I mean, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Correct.
And but yeah, I think now that you mentioned about the community, okay, if you can tell us a little bit about the community, because it is important. In fact, a
Yes.
while ago we were talking about the community, and tell me how. I mean, if you can tell us, right, how you became a part of this community, and when I say community, what is it exactly? I mean, everybody would like to know. How
Yes.
are you? What are you doing in this community? Yeah.
Well, our community, like you know, is MSSI, Multiple Sclerosis Society of India, and we belong to the Pune chapter,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Simply
Yeah.
because we live in Pune.
Yeah.
Now we have 9 chapters all over India,
Mm-hmm.
and the head office is in Mumbai. Now the thing is that I was, like I told you, I've been very lucky all my life. I got detected with MS in my first problem for mobility started in 2018, and I didn't know which doctor to go to because I could walk. I could walk 1 kilometer without any problem, but after 1 kilometer, suddenly my legs, my muscles used to freeze. Means I couldn't even sit down when they used to freeze. And I used to go on this walk because I wanted to lose weight, so I used to go marching. And suddenly after 1 kilometer, I'm standing static. And people on the road are looking at me, what is wrong with this lady?
Oh yeah, I can relate. Yeah, totally.
Why she suddenly stood? Then some young people asked me, ma'am, any problem? I said, well, I just can't move. So they said, okay. I said, can we help you? I said, yeah, just hold my hand and help me sit on the side of the footpath. So they said, and we had this smart city new footpaths, they were very clean at that time. So I said, यहीं पे बिठा दो, because अभी तो यहाँ bench कुछ नहीं है, यहीं पे बिठा दो.
Right.
So I had people who actually helped me in that 1 month or so when I used to have these episodes to sit on the footpath, and they used to keep giving me the looks, wondering कि इसको क्या हो गया है. And after about 5 minutes of sitting, again I could walk a kilometer.
Okay.
Till the next thing happened. So in that I did 3 walkathons.
Yeah.
For about 3 kilometers. So 1 kilometer, then I have to stop and I have to sit somewhere, find a place and sit. Then again, get up after 5-10 minutes of rest, walk another kilometer, again sit. But the 3rd kilometer was like, I used to have tears in my eyes, but अब मुझे पहुंचना है because गाड़ी पार्क की है यार, मुझे वहां तक तो पहुंचना पड़ेगा. गाड़ी तक.
Right.
गाड़ी तक जाने के लिए. So people used to in that also in the walkathons I met such lovely people who when they came to know that I'm having a problem, because I didn't know that it was MS, right? So I said, this is the problem that I'm having. So they said, koi baat nahi, we will talk to you, we will sit with you, don't you worry, we will keep you company. So I had these elderly people who used to take short 3 kilometer wala
the walkathon.
Yeah, walkathon. So they used to help me, they used to be with me, and it was so cute. They didn't have to. I don't even know who they are and where they stay now today. But they're still alive.
That's the best part about any walkathon or marathon. That's the best part. The community is so nice. Yeah,
community is so nice. And then what happened when all this happened? Then of course, now I'm telling you all this. This happened in 2018 and beginning of 2019. Now in February 2019, I went to Ahmedabad to visit one of our old friends. And there I had no problem. Then again I went to Delhi in March. I was there in Delhi for 10 days. Every day I was going by metro to various places because I've lived in Delhi for a long time. So I have friends all over Delhi and NCR. So I went here, there, everywhere. Both. Yeah, wahan sab jagah ghumi by metro, and your metro station walks are huge. Every day I used to do 8 to 10 kilometers of walking every single day. And I had no problem. Like I told you, the problem that was there initially, it just seemed to have disappeared. So I said, I've got cured. जो भी problem था चला गया है. ये menopause की वजह से हुआ था. अब ये मेरे hormones ठीक हो गए. अब I'm fine. Right. I come back on the day of Holi. I get back to Pune, and the following week, that is the last week of March, I had this excruciating pain and burning in the sole of my feet for about a couple of hours every day.
Oh, okay.
And not also the same part of my feet, in different parts of my feet. मैं सोचूं कि ये क्या है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. अच्छा, इतना सब करके भी मुझे ये दिमाग में नहीं आया कि सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है.
Okay.
Like swelling in my feet, like my mother is diabetic, so she also gets swelling in her feet and all that. So I thought maybe I've inherited this thing from her. So, but this was something that was unique. I said, ये क्यों हो रहा है? Then I had my nephew's engagement ceremony, which I didn't want to miss. So I told my mother, I'm not going to any doctor after before that. वो सब करके आएंगे, उसके बाद करूँगी मैं जो भी करना है. So when I came back from that, before that, my doctor, my general practitioner, had noticed this issue with me, and he told me that I need to meet a neurologist. So I told him, I said, after the 20th, because 20th को मुझे मुंबई जाना ही जाना है. I don't want to miss that function.
But did you never asked her why the neurologist, or you just went with the flow?
Yeah, I said, doctor ऐसे ही नहीं बोलेगा ना. कुछ तो अकल है उसको ज्यादा मुझसे.
Right.
तो सोच समझ के ही बता रहा है. And I know this gentleman for the last.
You just complied.
At that time I knew him for 17-18 years. So I said नहीं कोई बात नहीं, चलो जाएंगे पर बाद में जाएंगे. He said okay fine. तब तक उसने D3 और B12 और वो विटामिन E के सब इंजेक्शन जो भी करना था उन्होंने सब कुछ मुझे दे दिया था कि ये सब 3 हफ्ते के लिए लो. जब ये हो जाएगा आपका, when you come back, if the burning or the tingling continues or gets worse, you must meet the neurologist. I said okay, I'll go and meet. So 20th was the program. 21st I came back. I think 23rd I went. 22nd or 23rd I went to the neurologist. So when I met the neurologist, he made me stand, and they do normal thing they do. Close your eyes, stand with your hands stretched out like this, and oh God, the whole world seems to be going round and round. I kept saying,
Yeah.
I'm going to fall. The poor doctor standing in front of me and saying, I will hold you if you fall. Don't worry. I said, even I don't want that also, the doctor to hold me. I said, why should he have to hold me? Because, I said, you start feeling that you're helpless.
Yeah.
That kind of a thing. But he said, but unless you do that, how will I know? How long can you keep yourself steady?
Yeah.
So I, okay, fine. For Bohua, luckily he didn't have to hold me. I didn't fall, but the feeling was horrible. And then he told me, but this is MS. I said, what is MS? He said, multiple sclerosis.
Oh, without even doing the MRI?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because the 2-3 things that he had made me do, like walking in a straight line, like they do for catwalk.
Right.
It was so tough for me to manage that without losing my balance. Like I was doing it, but like a little kid of 3 maybe. Oh, ऐसे जा रही हूँ.
You are wobbly, right?
Wobbly, totally wobbly. So then he told me it is MS, but we will do the MRI and all that. So then the next day I got an appointment for the MRI. Unfortunately for me, the doctor was leaving the next night to go to US to his son's place. So I said, Arey baap re, ab kaise hoga? So he says, no, tomorrow in the evening, you bring your MRI and I will tell you what is to be done. Now, as luck would have it, the MRI took, the first MRI took me about 2.5 to 3 hours because I kept getting spasms, because of which had to be redone. And then they said the T3 thing, they said we have to do contrast, but before that you have to do your kidney function test. Oh. So I did my kidney function, then they told me go home, you have your tea and all that, and we will call you again when your kidney function test is done. So then they called me, and then the second MRI took me about 2 hours. And now the doctor's hours were getting over. He was going to leave. He was going to leave at 6 and I was still in the MRI room. And the doctor was so nice. He came to the MRI thing and he saw it happening live.
Oh.
So then he came out. My mother was sitting outside. He told her that, see, she's got multiple sclerosis. You don't have to worry about anything. Just get her admitted and this is the procedure. We're going to give steroids. I'm going to be out of town for 20 days. When I come back, by that time her steroids will have stopped. So then you can, then we will meet and we will discuss further what line of treatment to take.
Yeah.
So then my mom said okay, and then we did the needful, and he let me I met a very good doctor who was very kind and nice. And I had decided, Tapan, I am not going to do any Google search.
But but did it not cross your mind, right? What is MS or how was your reaction and your parents' reaction?
Oh, my parents were as ignorant as me, so we were blissfully ignorant. 3 of us were happy.
Oh, nice.
All those others who had read about MS, like my daughter had read about MS, my sister, her husband, all of them had read about MS. My friends had read about MS. So when they came to meet me in the hospital, they were like talking to me as if maybe these are the last few hours that I'm going to be alive.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I told them, I said, ऐसे मुखड़े लेके मत आया करो भाई, तुम लोग मुझे दुखी कर दोगे. I said, मैं कितनी खुश हूँ कि इस एज में जाके मुझे पता चला है कि मुझे MS है. और इतने साल मैं खुशी रह ली ना, कर लिया ना जो भी करना था. I did all my responsibilities are done, most of them. Now it's only looking after my parents till they are here on on the earth, planet Earth.
But were you convinced that this is something serious after seeing the reaction?
No,
Okay.
because I believe in one thing, that God will only give you the challenges that you can handle it.
Well said. Yeah,
That
yeah.
faith you have to have. Like, I see so many people doing puja, part and all kinds of things and taking God's name every now and then. But when they're faced with challenges, suddenly all that bhakti and all that faith disappears.
Yes.
It's not as if it didn't happen to me. Yeah, it did. But it did not happen to the extent where I felt that, अरे ये क्या दे दिया अब क्यों? अब जाते जाते ये क्यों दे दिया? No,
Correct.
that never happened. I said नहीं, आज लोगों को डायबिटीज होता है, वो लोग मीठा नहीं खा सकते. ब्लड प्रेशर होता है, वो नमक नहीं खा सकते. ये मत खाओ, वो मत खाओ, ऐसा ना करो, वैसा ना करो. मैंने एक ही चीज पूछी थी डॉक्टर को, ये एमएस की वजह से कोई डाइट फॉलो करना पड़ेगा क्या?
अच्छा.
So he told me नहीं, जो मन में आता है खाओ. I love you. I said whether I love MS or not, but I love you a lot.
I love you, man. Yes, yes.
I said एक तो मैं
That
खाना
is one
इतना
thing that everybody wants to hear from their doctor.
Yes, correct.
To have the
So-
permission to eat whatever you want.
Yeah. He told me, till you are happy, that's what we want. We want you to
Yeah.
be happy. And that is the most important thing. Other challenges are okay. They will come and they will
आपके डॉक्टर का मैं भी फैन हो गया हूँ अभी.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सोचो. And then that was the first thing that happened. And then when we finished this, when we met, he told me there are 3 lines of treatment. One was taking pills every day,
Okay.
which I told him that I find that very difficult. I'm not very good and regular with pill taking. I said every day ये जरा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So then he told me about rituximab, the injection. So at that time it was 0 days, 15 days and 6 months.
0
That was the
days,
way that rituximab was administered.
Right.
So I said okay, but he said but the injection is very expensive. I said हाँ पर जो भी है देख लेंगे. Let me see. I'll check my finance and check with my insurance people also.
Right.
And luckily for me, I was insured and it was covered under my insurance.
Okay.
So they did not create any problem for me. So that was one easier thing. And the third thing was something which, and I've forgotten, but I think that is what these people do, which is goes into lakhs, 20, 30 lakhs, the treatment, the line of treatment.
Stem cell. is
Stem
it?
cell
Stem cell,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Yeah. So something like that. So I said, nahi,
So
itna
you
bhi
also
paisa
got your stem cell wala?
No.
No. Okay.
I didn't have money. इतना पैसा कहाँ है? पैसा है पर इतना पैसा नहीं है कि मैं स्टेम सेल में इतना खर्चा करूं.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
हाँ, तो ऐसे ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. So ऐसे चलो रिटक्सिमैब का ले लेते हैं. Luckily it got covered in my insurance, so that was not, it was not hitting below the belt financially at least.
Yeah.
So that was a big saving grace. And then the treatment started. Now, luckily, when I was hospitalized, I had a neighbor who stays in Mumbai, but she comes here every now and then. When I was in the hospital, she had come to Pune. And every time she comes, first thing she'll do is she'll call me. तुम कहाँ हो?
Okay.
So I told her, अरे यार मैं जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल में हूँ. क्यों क्या हो गया? I said नहीं, मुझे कुछ MS का नाम की चीज हुई है. I said उसका पूरा नाम बोलना भी नहीं आता है. She's
Right.
saying, अरे multiple sclerosis, अच्छा
Oh,
कोई
she
चिंता
knew?
मत करो. Yeah, she knew because her husband's a doctor and she has a cousin who has MS,
Right.
who happens to be in our committee too,
Okay.
and a very active participant in our committee. So she told me, I'll give you Jyoti's number, and I spoke to Jyoti, and Jyoti was extremely, what shall I say, welcoming, accepting, and she told me, नहीं ऐसे कोई चिंता मत करो, everything goes on. अरे मुझे इतने सालों से है, तभी मैंने बच्चे पाले.
Also, Jyoti also had MS, right?
Yeah, Jyoti has MS since a long time, and this was when her children were really small. They were in the pre-primary or something.
Okay.
So she was very worried and hers was still a worse kind of MS. I don't think it is my type. So mine is the most gentile form of MS.
So yeah, there
So-
are like 4 types, right? RRMS,
Yes.
SPMS, and then PPMS. Yeah.
Yes. So I think hers is it was at least RRMS. So now, and they keep graduating, right? After a
Yeah, they
particular
keep graduating.
Yeah. So then she was very worried because her children were small. They had to be looked after. She didn't want to be maimed where she would not be able to, and she continued working, which was amazing. That lady has a lot of respect. That for me, I feel that she deserves a lot of respect, because somebody who can do so much in spite of challenges at a younger age, it is quite a thing. So luckily for me, I didn't have these challenges when I was younger, and that would have been devastating. So God was kind enough to saying that अभी नहीं बेटा, अभी तुम ये other problem solve करो, उसके बाद मैं धीरे धीरे तुमको दूंगा. अभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स सारे या तो डायबिटीज है, या तो ब्लड प्रेशर है, या तो गुर्गे या नीज आर हर्टिंग.
I think MS का वैसे ही है. I mean, like you said, it gradually graduate होता रहता है. I mean, there is no full stop to MS.
Yeah, correct.
So then, yeah, sorry, please.
No, and now the doctor, like this time when I just met him last month, he told me, you don't have to worry. I think your MS has plateaued. So I said, but my difficulties have increased. He said, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो बढ़ेगा because you're aging also. So बूढ़े भी तो होते जा रहे हो.
वो तो दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है. That's like inevitable.
Correct. I said, आप normal भी होते तो भी after 60 life would have been different as compared to after 40. Right? So he says, so don't think it is only because of MS. It's also because you're getting old. So these things are going to happen. You just keep your spirits up. And he was very upset when I joined MSSI. He told me, why are you joining? You are not so bad. You will get disheartened. I said, no, I'm not that kind. I don't get disheartened. Challenge आया है. Take the bull by its horns.
Wow.
I said, up till now, I've been a teacher. I have been doing lots of social work where children are concerned. And I do not believe in giving money and getting the social work done. I believe in, क्या कहते हैं उसको, कहते हैं ना भक्ति मार्ग. भक्ति मार्ग अलग अलग टाइप के होते हैं. एक होता है आप भजन करो, एक होता है आप पूजा पाठ करो, एक होता है आप दूसरों की मदद करो. I have chosen दूसरों की मदद करो. So तब मैं बच्चों की मदद करती थी because that was my world, that was what I understood. Then when MS happened, I said, चलो now maybe God is saying आप बच्चों को छोड़ो, लोग हैं बच्चों को संभालने के लिए, अब आप MS की तरफ मुड़ो.
Right. No, but I think MS होते you are doing this community service, okay, like community specific to MS. That's really commendable, right?
No, Tapan, you also have joined this group.
No, I joined this group because
commendable as you have joined. Your effort also is as commendable as mine was.
No, because why commendable? Because when in my initial days, in my initial years, okay, I had no clue what this is, okay, and guilty as charged, okay, I'm one of those kind, okay, जो Google कर रहा था. Yes. So I used to Google a lot, and that kind of escalated things, right? And again, nobody knows what MS is. It took me a while, and then my parents and then my family, entire family came to know कि ऐसा कुछ है. Of course, we had to go through a couple of tests, and for the first 4 or 5 years, okay, I didn't know that this is MS. So it was very difficult. But when I came to know about the community, and also I would like to tell everyone that she was the first person. Mohana was the first person I interacted with, and also she is also the reason, okay, why I decided to stay within the community, and now I'm a part of that community. Yeah. I mean, you are the reason. You are one of the reason. There are a couple of more people, but you are my first. You're the first person I met, and the conversation was fun. I mean, you made it sound like हम तो concert में आए. It's not some ऐसा था. Yeah. You made it so fun कि हम तो concert घूमने आए हैं, मिलेंगे लोगों से, खाएंगे पिएंगे, and yeah, and now it's 2 years. I'm a part of the community and a part of the committee.
Yes.
I'm a part of the committee. So thanks to you.
Welcome. We need youngsters like you. We are getting old.
मैं तो इससे खुश हो गया कि आपने मुझे youngster बुलाया. So, but yeah, I think what you are doing, you've been doing it for a while, and You're doing a great job, and I'm a new member, and I'm learning from you.
नहीं वो
But
तो है ही। अभी आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग यार। मरते दम तक सीखना है, कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा।
correct,
द
correct,
डे वी
correct.
स्टॉप लर्निंग वी आर गॉन ऊपर।
तो मैं अभी वही बोलने वाला था, पता है आपके अंदर से वो टीचर अभी तक बाहर नहीं गया है, मुझे तो सिखाना ही है. But as a teacher, were you able? You were probably like expected to have answers, right? Right. You are someone, okay, but teacher बता देंगे, teacher बता देंगे. So
No,
but
I'll
when
tell you
yeah,
one thing, Tapan, that is one thing I made sure that none of my children ever had this concept that the teacher knows everything.
okay,
Not because I did not know. Maybe there were times when I did not know genuinely, but sometimes when I also knew, I used to purposely make mistakes. So my little kids used to say, "Oh, but you are the teacher. Then how can you make a mistake?" I used to tell them, "Yeah, but I am a human being. So if I'm a human being, I am going to make mistakes, but I am going to learn from my mistakes." So when you say that to the kids find it very difficult. They find it extremely difficult. Like, see, simple thing. Now I want to keep the children's attention fixed to whatever I'm doing, right? So I'm writing on the board. Moment the teacher has a back to the kids, what happens? पीछे क्लासरूम में फिर वो छोटे से भी हों 5 साल के, 8 साल के या 20 साल के, बच्चे तो बच्चे ही होते हैं, शैतानी शुरू हो जाती है. So while I was writing on the board, I used to make mistakes there. अब मुझे लिखना है where. I wrote WHE. Miss the R.
Oh, okay.
So now the kids are looking at the board. Why have you written we? I said, no, I'm not written we. I'm saying where. But you have made a mistake. I said, oh my God. I have made a mistake. I need to correct my mistake. Thank you, baby. You helped me out with this time.
Oh, that's so nice.
So now the whole class is focusing on the board
Yeah.
to point out my mistakes. So every third line I make a mistake.
Well, that is so nice. I mean, I should be saying this कि मेरे टीचर ऐसे क्यों नहीं थे. हमें तो मतलब पिटाई ही पड़ता था. The kind of school setup I was in, मैं इतना मार खाया. I think 365 days पूरे साल में मैं 366 days मार खाता था. Yeah, I think this is so nice. आप मेरे टीचर होते तो कितना अच्छा होता.
कितना अच्छा होता ना. हाँ. तो फिर आपको लगता कि हाँ we are the same age group.
We are the same age group. नहीं, I mean maybe next life में अगर आप फिर से टीचर बने तो मैं आपका स्टूडेंट बनना चाहूँगा.
अरे मुझे कुछ नया भी तो बनना होगा. हर बार टीचर कैसे बनूं? हाँ. Next life I have to become a designer.
No, but to me you are someone. Whenever we talk, right? मुझे लगता है मुझे मेरे सारे सवालों के जवाब मिल जाएंगे. Of course, I don't want to put that pressure on you, but मुझे लगता है कि कुछ तो लाइफ के लेसन तो लेके जाऊंगा मैं.
प्रेशर तो आप मुझे कभी भी नहीं डाल सकते.
अच्छा. और
क्योंकि मैं सीधा कह दूंगी कि यार मैं भी अभी सीख ही रही हूँ, पूरा नहीं सीखा है. तुम्हें अगर पहले पता चलेगा तो प्लीज मुझे भी बता देना.
मुझे भी बताना.
So we shall have cooperative teaching and learning, sessions.
Cooperative teaching. It should be mutual, right? Okay. If I'm teaching you something, I expect the same from you.
Correct.
But
So,
has MS changed the way? I'm sorry. I just wanted to ask you this because मैं सबको पूछता हूँ because age is one factor, right? Which plays a very, very important role. So has MS changed the way you look at aging?
No, it hasn't. See, as you grow older, all your friends around you are having some problem or the other, right? Getting old itself, the body is giving up somewhere or giving up something or somewhere.
Yeah.
And everybody is struggling through that process. I have seen, and I have when I was say in my early 20s, I had friends who were 60 plus, 70 plus. So I had, like my father, my grandmother used to call me Jaga Maitrin. Jaga Maitrin means Jug, yani world.
Yeah, I know Jaga Maitrin. But for people who don't understand Marathi, probably for them, yeah.
तो इट वाज लाइक जग की दोस्त हूँ मैं.
जग की दोस्त मैत्रीन.
जब छोटा सा बच्चा दिख जाए 2-3 दिन का, उससे भी मैं खेल सकती हूँ और बूढ़े लोग होते थे 70-80 साल के, उनसे भी मैं बातें कर
उनसे भी
सकती
बात कर सकते हो.
So I never had a problem where making friends was concerned. So because of that, I had a lot of exposure to problems that people had as they were aging.
Yeah.
I didn't understand many of the things because unless it happens to you, or your near and dear ones, you don't really understand the gravity of the situation. But yes, you are aware that these things happen. So when these things started, like when I then later with my friends who were my age, they started having issues. I was not having major issues till then. At least I did not know that I was having major issues till then. And so ignorance is bliss, like they say. I was living a very blissful life. And when I came to know this, I said, चलो अब आया ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे, कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही गया, चलो हमें MS. So then I started telling people, I said, we are the chosen few. कितने लोगों का MS होता है?
कितने लोग?
है ना?
पूरे वर्ल्ड में 3 करोड़ लोग हैं बस.
हाँ. अच्छा, और इंडिया में कितने हमारे यहाँ पे रजिस्टर्ड तो 4-5 हजार है मुश्किल से.
पूना में ही आई थिंक, महाराष्ट्र में भी आई थिंक इट्स thousands में ही होगा.
बहुत कम. और वो भी because of people not being aware of this condition. Yes. So the thing is not because it is a big issue. It is basically because there's no awareness. So now the whole thing is that we have to spread awareness, towards which we are working very hard now.
Right.
And I plan to do it till I can move around and go around places. On a very personal level, I educate a shopkeeper, rickshaw wala, or anybody who asks me a question कि आपको क्या problem है, then I tell them जाके देखो MS, ये जाके ढूंढो. इसका पूरा नाम बताऊंगी तो याद नहीं रहेगा, पर MS तो याद रहेगा ना, तो वो जाके देखो, गूगल सर्च करो तो पता चलेगा ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है. वो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है.
Actually, ये मेरा next question भी था कि I'm sure when people look at people with MS, I mean ये हमारे चेहरे पे तो लिखा नहीं कि हमें MS है, right? So when people ask you how do you answer, like I mean, do you go completely deep into the condition, or how do you explain people?
See, I explain like I would explain to a nursery kid.
Oh, acha, nice.
Very simple. Everybody has seen wires, right?
Yeah.
Electric wires. So I explain. The metal in the electric wire is what is your nerve.
Oh.
The outer covering is what is called a myelin sheath, which protects your nerve.
Nice.
Now, what happens in our condition is that the white blood cells in the blood, which are supposed to protect our body from attackers who are bad for us, they mistake the myelin sheath to be enemies. And they attack the myelin sheath. So they perforate the myelin sheath. And when an electric wire gets perforated, if suppose a rat has eaten it or something like that, then what happens is if you switch on the light or whatever, it sends sparks.
Yeah.
That is exactly what happens to our nervous system.
Right.
Now here we are talking about one wire which sends sparks or the bulb goes out, right?
Right.
But in our body we have a very complex system. So it's a particular area. You want to take the call?
No, it's not about it. Please.
So you want, it's a particular area which controls many nerves in different parts of your body. So, depending on where your myelin sheath has been attacked, you develop symptoms. So for me, losing my balance, tingling was my first prominent symptom. Second was my muscles had become very tight, used to get very tight after a little bit of walking. Right. So I could walk up to a kilometer and then after that I just couldn't walk, couldn't take one step. And things like that, and spasms that happen sometimes. So these are the things that troubled me in the beginning.
Right.
Then I came to know that neuropathic pain or something they call it.
Neuropathy, right.
Yeah. So that started a little later. I don't have pain as such, but there's discomfort.
Right.
Thankfully, I am, again, I have lots to thank God for.
Thank God.
No pain, because handling pain is extremely difficult
Yeah,
and
yeah.
very, very tiring. So if there's discomfort, then I know, or if I'm I'm walking and I suddenly feel कि अब नहीं चला जा रहा है, I have to sit. I have to find a place and sit. And if I do that, I rest for 5-10 minutes, then I'm good again. Now my walking has come down to about half a kilometer I can walk at a time, not a kilometer like I used to.
Right.
But it's okay. I am not complaining. It at least keeps me mobile. I can drive the car. I've been very
that's
lucky.
what, great. I think that's one of the things that I like about you. I mean,
Yes.
I have no
And
words.
no, my sister, and then I tell you, no, my sister and my brother-in-law are so cute that they gifted me an automatic car because my left leg has got affected. So
Oh.
clutch was causing a little problem for me.
Right.
So she told me that I know you don't like to take big gifts, but please take this gift from us
Wow.
because I'm the caregiver for my parents.
Right.
My parents are my caregiver and I'm caregiver for them. My sister
Wow.
doesn't stay here.
Right.
So then she says, this is the least I can do. So that way my guilt is a little less. I told her, you don't have to feel guilty. This was a choice that I had made, and I'm going to look after our parents.
Right.
And I'm not going to hold you to it कि भाई you also are a daughter. So if
You
I
also
look
are,
after
right,
them,
right.
हाँ तुम देखो उनको 6 महीने ऐसे
तुम्हारी भी
ऐसे
जिम्मेदारी
ना
है.
करेक्ट I said ऐसे नहीं, जहाँ पे तुम देखोगी वहाँ पे मैं
But
नहीं
that's
करूँगी.
really sweet. I mean, आप उन्होंने आप वो they were so thoughtful
Yeah,
to
absolutely.
gift you that. Again, gift matter नहीं करता, मतलब मैं
To
तो अभी भी
understand.
सोचता हूँ ना, when आप ड्राइव करके आते हो जाते हो, मुझे लगता है कि I mean, I don't know how to explain.
No, yeah. See, now look at it this way. Suppose I was not able to drive.
Yeah.
Okay. Then if there's a calamity in the house, either I have to call a friend because I have elderly parents. Anything can happen at any time. I have to call a friend. It'll take some time for them to come over and help out. Or I have to call an ambulance. Then the problem is who will go in the ambulance?
Correct.
Because they also have these issues, ना? या एक ही बंदा आ सकता है, दो बंदे नहीं आ सकते, all that nonsense. So अब कैसे है? At least I am reassured कि अगर कुछ भी होता है रात बेरात कभी भी, मैं गाड़ी निकाल सकती हूँ, उनको मेरे गाड़ी में डाल सकती हूँ, उनको लेके जा सकती हूँ. So I am independent and I can look after them.
Right.
Not that my friends will not help me. We have lovely friends and neighbors who will help. But as far as possible, you must look after your own problems yourself.
You should also always be prepared also, I mean, for the worst.
Yeah.
Because I recently had an accident, okay, I actually hit my head and my sister was not there. Because my sister, we stay in the same society. She's my neighbor, but she wasn't there. So I hit my head and it started bleeding.
Oh my God.
But it didn't occur to me कि मैं अभी क्या करूँगा. मुझे पता था that there's no one. मैं गया हॉस्पिटल खुद ही जाके स्टिच करवा के आया.
अरे बाप रे.
हाँ, खुद ही जाके स्टिच करवा के. I mean, you never know, right? कब क्या हो सकता है. I have hit my head, my chin so many times. I mean, I fall on a regular basis. अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैं because since I stay alone, मैं अपने मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm like in my head there are people. I imagine people looking at me. मैं ठीक हूँ. So वो confidence भी देता है and it is also making me strong and at the same time it is preparing me for the worst. I mean, of course, nobody wants to get into a situation where it becomes difficult for me to manage, but touch wood, by the grace of God, I have been able to do it. And you're doing it. You're not just like you said. आप खुद के भी caregiver हो, आपके parents के भी caregiver हो, तो आप तो कर रहे हो.
My parents also are my caregiver, of course.
Yeah, right.
दोनों तरफ से गाड़ी चलती है. एक हाथ से लो, एक हाथ से दो.
एक हाथ से लो, एक हाथ से दो. No, but I think your family has been extremely. Yeah, about the family part again. ये मैं सबसे पूछता हूँ. How has been their support? Like
Correct.
your
Now, let
family,
me tell
your
you.
kid.
This is another funny thing that happened.
Yes.
So when the doctor, the first time the neurologist told me that this is MS, so at that time actually we were some of my friends, my mom and I used to go to the Himalayas to help out children who had been affected by the Kedarnath tragedy. Okay. Now Kedarnath tragedy happened in 2013. From 2015 we had been going there.
Himalaya, as in you were talking about north?
Yeah.
Oh.
Beyond Rishikesh. It was not just beyond Rishikesh, it's beyond Gupta Kashi.
Okay.
19-20 kilometers from Gupta Kashi towards Kedarnath. There's a small village called, what is it called? Yeah, I forget the name. But there's a really small village which has a school for children up to class 12, a government school for children up to class 12. And the children who come from the nearby mountains go down the mountain and cross the river, the stream, and come up, attend class, again go down and go back, climb their mountain back to their village.
And do this every day?
Every day. Like little monkeys, they go dug, 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 and then they cross the river and again climb it. And again, like it's like steps, you know, the Himalayas are like steps. So they jump, and they do this. Now the thing was that when we had come to know of it, we started going there, and we used to take things for the kids and some sweet meat, some masti wala khana, like bakar badi, chakli, murukku, and all that,
nice.
Mixture, all kinds of things. And then we used to take books, pencils, all these things that they need, the stationery. Then they needed chappals. 1 year, the Guruji over there said we need chappals for the kids. So there were about 40 children there, 20 boys, 20 girls, for whom we used to cater. Then my sister once donated clothes, new clothes for all of them.
Wow.
So because these are the children who had lost the male members of their family in the floods. And consequently, there were only women, young male members, or elderly male members in the house. Everybody else was gone. So there was no person earning any. So their challenges were massive. These children in the Himalayas, they had not even seen a station. They had not seen a crowd of more than 100 people. They had seen it on TV. But for them, TV was as good as maybe Mercury or Venus or Mars. You know, for them, they knew everything, all the songs and this, everything they knew, but they did not know कि सच में कैसे होता है, how scary it is to go to a station which is so crowded. So kinds of things. So you know, when we were doing this, so we were supposed to leave on the 28th. Now my thing was I was hospitalized on the 24th. So obviously I couldn't go because 5 days of steroids. So I couldn't go. So then my mother was supposed to go, one of my friends was supposed to go, my friend was in tears. She says, no, we can't leave you in the hospital and go. So I went right back to the doctor and asked him, I said, ये MS, does it kill you? So ये cancer जैसे होता है क्या? इससे मर जाते हैं क्या लोग? So he says, no, it doesn't affect your life. It just makes life difficult. So I said, फिर ठीक है, I can take this challenge. That is not a problem. So then I came out and I told my friend that my mother was not the kind who got upset or whatever. She said, नहीं हम लोग जाके आएंगे यार, तुम इतने 3 दिन में थोड़ी ना मरने वाली हो. So I said, हाँ ठीक है. So I said, my father was very upset. He's saying, तुम्हारी बेटी hospital में रहेगी और तुम चली जाओगी. So I told my father, I said, please don't send her on that emotional trip. Those children are waiting for us to come there. I am not going to go there. So let Ai and the other lady go. So they are going there to teach them something, spend time with them, and they look forward to this trip every time. I said maybe this will be the last year that we will be going there, because now the children will move out of the hostel next year because they are all passing class 10 and 12, whatever. Right. So then my mother went, and when I said this, I told my father, I said मैं मरने तो नहीं वाली हूँ, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? So I said डॉक्टर ने कहा है आप लोगों को विदा करके फिर मैं आऊंगी, because I want proper band baja barat when I come up there.
Oh, अच्छा, okay, nice.
I said पैसे भी पति तो चला ही गया है, दादी भी चली गई, दादा दादी भी गए हैं, तो I said आप लोग भी जाओगे तभी तो रिसेप्शन कमेटी तैयार होगी, तब तो मैं आ सकती हूँ, तब तक मैं कैसे आऊँ? Right. I need a proper welcome. Nice. So that's the way we take these jokes very lightly.
No, but I think from whatever I've heard today, I think you've had a terrific amazing life. Okay, I mean,
Yeah, absolutely.
it sounds like a roller coaster to me. I think teaching kids and then diagnosed with MS, and I mean, I'll not go into the details of your personal life, but yeah,
Yeah,
it sounds like you've had uh, an amazing and uh, a lot of up, lot of down, mix of everything. And
yeah,
people, when this something like this happen, and when they come to know that you have a medical condition, okay, which is chronic and there is no cure for that,
correct.
and उस पूरे कंडीशन में अपने आप को इतना मेंटली स्ट्रांग रखना है. एंड आई आल्सो वांटेड टू टेल यू, आई थिंक आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दिस, you are not just someone, okay, who's taking MS head on, but you're also funny, okay, when it comes to, if I ask you, please explain us what is MS, you have your own way of explaining MS, okay.
Yeah.
So I would, any day, if somebody asks me, right, MS क्या है, go to Mohana ma'am, उनसे
हाँ.
पूछो
और
MS
एक
क्या है.
बताओ, एक वन लाइनर बताओ.
Yes, yes.
That sends people into splits. जब हम लोग बैठते हैं तो हम ऐश्वर्या राय हैं, जब हम चलते हैं तो हम केशव मुखर्जी हैं.
Yeah, I know this, I remember this.
गेट टू इन वन किसको देखा है क्या आपने जिंदगी में?
ये वो बोलता था ना, my favorite. I love that. I used to love him, right? Kestu Mukherjee,
Yeah.
one legend. So yeah, I
Yes,
think वो जिस तरीके से आप head on MS को तो ले ही रहे हो, मैं nobody can guess, okay, that there's so much, okay, there is a story behind, because I don't think so. There are many people I've come across जो MS को सिर्फ head on ले भी नहीं रहे, but वो pretentious होता है कभी कभी, वो दिखाने की कोशिश करते कि I'm happy and this and that, but with you things are different again. I mean, it's so natural.
Yeah. No, and second thing is, Tapan, in our life, even when we were very young, there are
Yeah.
some days which are very nice, happy days. Some days when you're very sad for no rhyme or reason.
Yeah.
No reason. So, that continues. There are good days, there are bad days. Now, how to get out of those bad days is your own responsibility.
Mhm.
You cannot depend on the world to help you out with that. It is your responsibility to keep yourself happy. And I feel we have come into this world only to learn that,
Correct.
in spite of everything. See, there are so many people who have been in the lowermost rung of the social strata, right? But they have done such great things,
Mhm.
amazing things. So we have so many people to look up to. That like I have some friends also who are those constant whiners. So and I say it's okay. Maybe they are whining because they have not understood this only, or maybe also if they've understood, they have not really accepted it. Like my grandmother used to read this Das Bodh. It is one of the religious texts,
Mhm.
and in that basically it's in Marathi, and it says ki you're talking to your own man, that is your mind.
Yeah.
And saying that what you should do, what you should not do. There are lots of stanzas, a beautiful thing to listen to if you know Marathi, or even read the translation. It is wonderful. So my grandmother used to read it loudly, okay? And she used to read from the pit of her stomach. She used to scream and read it. So the whole house used to know what she's reading. So
Right.
one day I was sitting and doing my corrections in the drawing room, and she was dining at the dining table, and she was in her room, and I was reading it. And then I was listening to her. Obviously, I couldn't avoid it. After that, in the evening, something happened, and she was complaining about something.
Right.
So I told her, I said, Ajji, आज ही तो सुबह ये पढ़ा था,
अच्छा.
कैसे कंप्लेन नहीं करना है, ऐसा कुछ होता है तो कंप्लेन नहीं करना है. So she told me, in Marathi, I'll tell you those sentence in Marathi.
Yeah.
अरे मुना, कळतं पण वळत नाही ग. That means समझ में आता है,
Ah,
पर
right,
वो
right.
मैं
I
practice
understood.
नहीं कर पा रही हूँ.
Right. No, I
So I
understood.
told her, फिर क्या फायदा हुआ वो दास बहुत पढ़ के.
मतलब मैं पढ़ तो रही हूँ, बट मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Right. No, no, no.
समझ तो
That
आ रहा है, पता है क्या करना चाहिए, पर वो मन नहीं मान रहा
one
है.
नहीं मान रहा, right? No, but I think what would be your message, okay, to people who are, I mean, जिनको MS है, because अभी भी there are people who have not been able to, come out. Some people are still trying to reason with it, and
Yeah.
there are people who know nothing about MS because they don't have MS.
First thing is, don't read up about MS.
Okay.
Trust your doctors.
Okay.
They have got an education.
Mm-hmm.
They have worked very hard towards it, and have that faith.
Yeah.
Before the doctors, have faith in your God, whoever you believe in.
Right.
Across religions, have faith in your God. No God tells you that you have to give up on life.
Mm-hmm.
There's no shortcut to uh, any challenge.
Anything.
Because if we take a shortcut in this life, we are going to face maybe a worse challenge in our next life.
No, next time.
Until we learn our lesson, we do not go ahead. Now, there's a wonderful book that one of our librarians in the first school where I taught, when I was going through my personal challenges, where she had given me, because she used to see me and she used to say, how can I help you? I said, I don't know how to help myself, so what can I say to you?
Yeah.
She's saying, no, Mohana, I need to give you something. Then she dug out a book and she gave it to me. I don't remember the name, but the first and second lesson I remember. First lesson was, why me? Which all of us asked someday or the other, somewhere or the other.
Right.
Have we ever asked ourselves, why not me, when good things were happening?
Oh, yeah. Right.
Never.
Why
One
not?
of these tennis players, actually, he had said, and I forget who, but one of the very, very famous ones, he had said that when I started learning tennis and I started doing well in it at school level, so I got chosen. So I was one among lakhs of people.
I know
Then
who you're talking
I was-
about. You're talking about Roger Federer.
Yes, Roger Federer. And then this is the way he went. And then I was one amongst 5 lakhs. And I was one
Yeah.
among 50,000, then 5,000, then 5. And then I was the topmost. At that time, I never asked why me. And then some negative challenge came across. And do I have a right to ask myself why me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, what we need to see is what are the blessings that we've had. So, focus on the blessings you've had. Be grateful for them every single day, every single time.
Gratification is very important.
If I get a parking close to where I'm going, because walking for me is a challenge,
Right.
first thing that comes out of my mouth is, thank God, I've got the parking.
Oh, I do that every day. In fact,
Every time.
yeah, I do that every day. Because it is very visible, right? I mean, when
Yes.
I'm walking and it's
Correct.
visible that I'm struggling. I
Yeah.
have seen people, no matter what the age is, younger ones. In fact, I was at this place, Kayani Bakery here, the famous Kayani
Correct.
Bakery. I was there waiting outside for my rickshaw. Two lady, okay, again, aram se they are 60 plus, and I was holding this bag which was 3 kilo, more than 3 kg.
Yeah.
They came
हाँ.
and, beta hum pakad lete hain. And I was like, how do I react? And उन्होंने ले लिया मेरे से, छीन लिया.
हाँ.
Let us hold the bag for you. Then the
Correct.
rickshaw came. उन्होंने मुझे बैठाया. Then मुझे वो पकड़ा. And I was like, oh my God. And then I was thinking, I am the one who's supposed to help them, but फिर मुझे लगा
No.
कि I thanked them, auntie, thank you so much, and I was feeling so lucky and happy that
Yes.
day. Yeah.
But Tapan, this comes back to you. You must have done something good. That's why it is all coming back. See, there are people who don't meet people like this.
Oh my God! I don't know. I mean, there are stories. In fact, 2 days ago, there was this issue happened that in my house. This urban club guy came, and then he
Ah.
saw me. That he could see that I'm struggling to walk.
Yes.
And then you know what he did? He cancelled all his booking. And he cancelled all his booking. Then he started teaching me yoga. He said कि ये करो वो सही है. And then I had ordered actually a 5.1 speaker and I was very excited about it, but I was also worried कि मैं इसको कैसे install करूँगा. He did everything for me.
Hi,
He
my
did
God.
everything for me. He installed my guitar. There was this hanger, okay, which I
Yeah,
wanted to install for a very long time, but he did that for me.
correct.
And I told him, आप इतनी देर से बैठे हो, let me order food for you. And then we had food. And before
हाँ,
he left, he didn't charge a penny for that, for the extra work that
correct,
he did. Before he left, he hugged me and he said, "We are now friends for life. I'm going to
हाँ,
message you every day कि योगा करना है." I mean,
हाँ,
that was so surreal. I mean, a urban club guy now is my
yeah,
friend. He messages me now every day. आपने योगा किया क्या? So I think I'm now not at all focusing on the problems. I'm
yes,
focusing on how
solution,
God is trying to help me. And it has never happened that if I am in a situation where I'm not able to, help myself, or
correct.
कहीं से कोई आ ही जाता है. So
आ
God
ही
is
जाता
there.
है,
Yeah, yeah.
बिल्कुल आ जाता है. I totally agree because that is something even I have noticed. Like you see, for women especially, and especially women of my age, from where we come from, if a lady or a girl puts her hand out and says, "Auntie, I'll help you," it is far easier to take it than when a guy says it.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, because it's a simple thing. It is a mindset that we've grown up with, where you have to protect yourself, so physical touch वगैरह नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसे
yeah.
वैसे.
Right, right, right.
तो वो सब, तो अब जब बच्चे, अब मेरे लिए तो सारे बच्चे ही हैं. अगर
हाँ.
आप भी तो बच्चे ही हो, 20 साल छोटे हो तो बच्चे ही हो.
Yeah.
तो जब ऐसे कोई आके कहता है, "आंटी हेल्प कर दूं, आपको हेल्प चाहिए?" मैंने कहा हाँ. जब जहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ तो माशाल्लाह देश है, तो हमें क्या कहते हैं, रेलिंग भी नहीं मिलता कभी कभी.
Right.
So even the shopkeeper or the person at the bank, the guard who is standing outside, he'll say, "You need help?" I said, "If I am okay that day," I said, "नहीं, आज नहीं चाहिए. आप सिर्फ ध्यान रखो कि मैं ठीक आ रही हूँ कि नहीं." And then the days when I'm not okay, I tell them, "हाँ, please आ सकते हो क्या?" So then they promptly come, they give out their hand, and I take their hand and pull myself up to wherever.
Nice.
But the thing is that people you don't know show such genuine concern, and
Yeah,
they
totally.
come and actually help you, which is
They
amazing.
do,
Now,
yeah,
like, especially when I park the car in a disability section,
yeah.
the guard over there will say, "ये disabled लोगों के लिए है, विकलांग लोगों के लिए है." And I tell him, "हाँ भैया, मैं विकलांग हूँ." So now obviously he can't see, no, I'm Aishwarya
Right,
Rai.
right, right.
I only see my head, so Aishwarya Rai at that time. So he says, "Kya viklang?" So then when I open the door and out comes my stick first, and then one leg, then the other leg,
The other leg.
then standing up. It's a whole process, right? Getting out of a car takes about full minute.
Oh yeah.
And then you have to stand there and flex your muscles to make sure that
Flexes.
you're walking steadily.
Right, right,
So
right.
that is another minute. So then they keep looking at you कि ये क्या कर रही है. And then I वो दरवाजा बंद करके then I start walking. That is the time they realize कि अरे यार ये तो problem है यहाँ पे.
Right, right,
Then
right, right.
तब तो वो कुछ नहीं बोलते, but invariably जब मैं जाती हूँ वापस ना, जैसे, "मैडम सॉरी, हाँ समझ
correct,
नहीं आया."
correct, correct.
मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? मेरे चेहरे पे थोड़ी ना लिखा हुआ है
Right,
कि मैं
right.
विकलांग. वो पैर पे लिखा है, वो पैर जब तक मैं दिखाऊंगी नहीं आपको तो क्या पता चलेगा?
No, I've come across, I think out of 10, all 10 or 10 times, okay, I have met some really nice people, okay, offering to help, and they make it a point. In fact, even if I tell them that नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए मदद, they look at me. They
हाँ,
जब तक
Even
मैं
I-
ठीक से चल के नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I mean,
correct.
that is so sweet of them.
I know.
So yeah, I think I feel blessed, and gratification तो मेरा और ज्यादा हो गया है.
Absolutely.
So I
And
think
जब तक वो चलता रहेगा, I thank God that I get opportunities to be grateful.
yeah.
And I realize that I have to be grateful here, which is also a very big thing. वो भी तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप से तो नहीं आया है ना, भगवान ने ही दिया है ना.
करेक्ट. नो, आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपको कहीं से हेल्प मिल रहा है ना, वो कोशिश करो कि आप वो हेल्प प्रोवाइड कर सको.
Correct.
जब भी पॉसिबल है, आई मीन यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट बिकॉज मुझे करना ही है.
और जैसे को तैसा कभी नहीं कर सकते हो ऐसी चीजों.
करेक्ट जैसे
You can do it in your own way. In different ways we can.
different
Right?
ways,
It
right.
doesn't always have to be. Now sometimes just sitting and listening to somebody who's going through a tough time
right
is a very big help for them.
yes
अपना तो कुछ नहीं जाता ना, सिर्फ वक्त जाता है. एंड देन अगर आप थोड़ी सलाह भी दे सकते हो तो बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं दे सकते हो तो भी ठीक है.
right.
सब
I
कभी
think
कभी
MS ने तो हम लोगों को I think the other day when we were at Extremes, the first thing that I
Yeah.
told my father that I'm lucky that I have MS. Of course, my father wouldn't like it. He was like, are you out of your mind that you're saying that you have MS? No, I'm not. Maybe I'm not able to explain myself, but because of MS, I'm getting to meet so many amazing people, learning about life. I'm staying alone. I've been staying alone for the past 4.5 years, and
Yeah,
I'm proud of myself. I'm doing great in life.
absolutely. You should be.
Right. So one last. Sorry, please go ahead, please.
No, I'm waiting for the time when I can be alone, because I tell I'm living with my parents now because my father was very sick 2.5 years ago. So I tell them, सबको कहती हूँ I said मैं आजकल मायके वाले ससुराल में रहती हूँ, क्योंकि the
मायके वाले
moment
ससुराल.
because जैसे कुछ भी हो जाए, you know, when you've lived independently, now living with your parents also, they are like ससुराल only. ये नहीं करना, यहाँ पे ये क्यों रखा, वहाँ पे ये क्यों किया, and then somebody will come and clear up everything, and then all my things have gone haywire. I can't find it.
Right.
Oh my God! And I lose my cool, and then the pressure cooker की सीटियाँ बजती रहती हैं जोर-जोर से.
हाँ, right. अभी तो because my sister stays,
Yes.
she's my neighbor,
हाँ.
तो मेरा nephew आता है, मामू. But I love it. I think it again. It's I'm lucky to have to stay next to my sister, and I get to meet my nephew every day. And ना उसको मेरी बात समझ में आती है, ना मुझे उसकी बात समझ में आती है. And we have the best conversation. Best. कोई टेंशन नहीं, उसको नहीं, मुझे नहीं. Again, sorry.
Mama Bhanja is the best. Mama Bhanja is the best
Mama
relationship.
Bhanja is the best. We're the best duo.
Yes, absolutely.
So yeah, I was just sorry, you were saying, please, sorry.
Like I have with my nieces. तो मेरी बहन की बेटियां और we share a wonderful relationship. So you know, it is good fun.
It's good fun, unique completely.
Yeah.
Right. So I wanted to ask you, right, one last message before we
wind up. Yes.
Yeah. One last message for people who are watching this. Okay, what is it that they can take away from this whole conversation?
The one main thing that everybody needs to take away, whether you have MS or you don't have MS, we have taken a birth as a human being, is because we have to learn something. So use this life as an opportunity for learning as many things as you can. Don't work only towards moksha, because I don't believe in moksha. I believe in learning. My soul should learn anything and everything that is possible to be learned. Only then I shall unite with the God. There are very few things, of course, like I said, temporarily some things can upset me, but then चलो कोई बात नहीं, ये भी देख लेंगे, ये भी कर लेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
मैं आपका जो आपने लाइन बोला ना कि जब मैं चलती हूँ तो मैं ऐश्वर्या नहीं, क्या था?
हाँ, जब मैं बैठती हूँ तो मैं ऐश्वर्या राय हूँ, जब मैं चलती हूँ तो मैं केशव मुखर्जी.
This is going to be the thumbnail of this episode. And once again, Mona, thank you so much for your time. Okay, it was lovely talking to you. And
it was lovely.
we will talk again soon. Okay, but अभी तो हम लोग मिलेंगे हमारे इवेंट के लिए, एजिंग के लिए.
अभी तो बहुत मिलना है, अब बार मिलेंगे.
Yes,
और मिलना बहुत जरूरी भी है.
मुझे हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, आप कुछ भी बोलते हैं, I'm like, oh मम्मी डांट रही है.
बस मम्मी डांट रही, मम्मी डांट रही है, right.
बस मुझे
I wish my daughter took it that way. She doesn't.
राइट राइट एटलीस्ट कोई तो है मुझे संभालने वाला, कोई तो मुझे बोले मत करो मत करो। सो वो चाहिए, यू नीड दैट। ओके, घर पे मम्मी चाहिए तो यहाँ पे कोई तो चाहिए, दोस्त
वही तो
अब बोलो
चाहिए,
कुछ भी
हाँ।
चाहिए।
सारा सारा
एनीवेज,
गुड़ी गुड़ी बोलेंगे तो कैसे चलेगा, है
करेक्ट
ना?
करेक्ट करेक्ट, कोई तो रहना चाहिए आपको 100 में से 10-20 देने वाला, और क्यों दिया।
करेक्ट, हाँ,
एनीवे,
करेक्ट। हाँ,
ठीक है। थैंक यू
चलो,
सो
ओके,
मच मोना, विल टॉक सून एंड मीट अगेन वेरी सून।
ये चलो, ओके,
ऑलराइट,
बाय।
बाय बाय।
हैव लवली टाइम टुगेदर, बाय।
यस।